Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. Now I will put this one cone here, this one cone here, and this one cone here. And now we have like this. Now e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization, and now we have like this. Now we need to find the solution of this one. So we have lambda equals to number 4 plus the square root of number 23, and lambda equals to number 4 minus the square root of number 23. Now we have yc, that is about c number 1, e to the power of 4 plus the square root of number 23. And we have c number 2, e to the power of 4 minus the square root of number 23. Next, about particular solutions, we have e to the power of 3s. So I will put yb equals to 8 e to the power of 3s. Later that we need to find first the derivative of yb, and we have 8 e to the power of 3s, and second derivative of yb, and we have 8 e to the power of 3s. Next, I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have like this. So negative number 8 multiplied by number 3, we have 24. And negative number 7 with 8, we have negative 7, 8. Now we need to simplify it, and we have negative number 22, 8 e to the power of 3s, and we know that this one equals to number 2 e to the power of 3s. So we just compare coefficient in here and here. So that means we have negative number 22, 8 equals to number 2. So we divide both sides by negative number 22 and we can find the value of 8. And we have negative number 1 over 11. So I will put this one goal here. And now we have the final answer. So we have y equal to yc plus yb. Yc, that is about this one. And yb, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.